Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 hair hacks that I wish I knew in my early 20s. You guys, I was a Frizz festival back in my early 20s when I went to college. My hair. I have found 5 tricks that work amazingly to make your hair look nice, make it manageable, make it grow a little faster. So I'm going to be sharing all that with you. But before that, if you enjoy this video or if you like more videos like this, make sure to give that thumbs up a nice little smash. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, what you waiting for? Alrighty then. Let's get started. The first hack is to use onion juice. Without a doubt, it makes your hair grow as if it's on steroids or something. It really grows fast. Now, remember that hair growth is different from hair volume. So if you've watched my previous videos with skincare, hair lies and everything, I spoke about hair volume, not hair growth. Vertically, hair will grow, not horizontally. I hope I'm not confusing you. Any which ways, coming back to onion, works amazing. I've tried it a few times, but the only downfall is it stinks. Oh my goodness. And I also go to the gym, so when you sweat, and especially in the climate in India, your head is always sweating, and that onion stench, guys, you do a public service and don't get out of the house like when you've used an onion hair mask, and that smell stays on your hair for an entire month. So I kind of stopped using that, and then I got introduced to this whole range of onion hair products from this brand called Mama Earth. What I'm particularly obsessed with from this range is the onion hair oil, and it does not smell bad. It actually smells very fragrant, and what I love also about this brand is that they recycle more plastic than they use. So that's an amazing initiative, and they also are mineral and silicone free, hypoallergenic, and it suits all hair types. I have been using this for the last month. I've used it twice a week. Without a doubt, my hair has grown. Like if you go back a couple of videos before, you can see my actual hair, and it was only so much, you know, and now you can see that my hair has grown so much. Let me actually take it out of the clip so you can see how much my hair has grown. You know, this was like a shoulder length haircut like just a month and a half ago. That's how much my hair has grown, and the only thing different I've done is use the whole onion hair range from Mama Earth. So it grows your hair, and it does not make it stink. This hair range comes with the oil, as I just mentioned, a shampoo and a conditioner. So obviously when you use the trio, you will get the most benefit. So what you have to do is apply the oil, leave it on for like 1 hour. That's what I do. Give your scalp a nice, good, generous massage so that you promote the blood circulation onto the scalp, which is also really, really good for hair growth. And then you shampoo it off with the onion shampoo, and then you apply your conditioner. I am very, very generous with the conditioner as well because I have color treated hair. I leave it on my hair for like a good 3-4 minutes, and I wash it off. And a quick tip, you don't have to fully bone dry wash off your conditioner. You can leave just a little touch back, you know, it'll leave your hair a little softer. You can use the code Jovita20 for 20% discount on mamaearth.in. These products are also available on Amazon and Nykaa. And that is my hair hack number 1. Moving on to number 2. Guys, we know that aloe vera gel is good for so many different things, and I have a video all about beauty uses of aloe vera, but until recently I did not think of using aloe vera gel as just an anti-frizz serum. It works amazingly well, guys. You don't really have to use the bought tub of aloe vera. If you have fresh aloe vera, that's good. Just cut it in half and rub it on your hair. Or if you have like a packaged aloe vera, get a good brand. I've mentioned how to select in this video. Take a little bit of aloe vera gel and rub it all on your frizz or your flyaways, and your hair will have like insane shine. These are the hacks that I've learned throughout the years, which I wish I knew when I was in college. I would have been a little bit more presentable, but anyways, better late than never, right? And I'm also letting you know so that you don't make the same hair blunders like I did. So try aloe vera gel as an easy, inexpensive anti-frizz / shine serum. Even if you use raw aloe vera, you don't have to wash it off, which is the best part. Number 3, there is this whole movement on the digital space called the curly girl hair routine, and I don't know what, I was like living under a rock for sure. I didn't know what it was. So if you have naturally wavy hair or curly hair and you're tired of straightening it and you want to embrace your curls, this is what you do, guys. Curly girl routine, or it's called the CG routine. There are a lot of amazing in-depth detailed videos on YouTube, so I'm not gonna speak much about that because I'm not an expert in it, but I definitely recommend you check it out on YouTube. But as a quick little tip, let me tell you, after you take a shower, when your hair is wet, that is when you comb your hair. Once your hair is dry, if you have wavy hair or curly hair and you want to preserve your curls, don't comb your hair. That's when your hair becomes frizzy. And also invest in just 2 products. One, you need a curl cream that's going to really lock in your curls and define your curls instead of the curls being all over the place and creating a poof of mess around. That's what happens to my hair. It's just like a poof, you know. The second thing that you need is a hair gel. You can also make your hair gel at home using this DIY method for using flaxseed. Definitely check those recipes out on YouTube as well. Using these methods, guys, you can really get those defined, bouncy, beautiful curls. So definitely check out the CG routine. Hack number 4. Now, if you're going for something more straight and sleek and you want an at-home DIY version to straighten your hair, such an easy method, but this will not work on anybody who has really tight curls. Anybody with straightish to medium wavy hair will work. So what you have to do is, after your shower, let your hair air dry, and once it's in that stage where it's kind of still wet but not really dry, in between stage, in the opposite direction of your part. So today this is my part. What you have to do is comb all of your hair from your ear, comb it all and start pinning it down with neat bobby pins around your scalp and take it all around your head like this. I'm gonna look like a nice little mushroom right now, but I'm gonna do this for you. Pin it around so it stays like this. Smooth out every little hair. Put a silk scarf around your hair. Hold on. I felt really silly talking to you like that, but we're back. Alrighty then. Quick fix. Continue. Put a silk scarf around your head and then go to sleep. When you wake up the next day morning, remove your silk scarf, gently pull out all your bobby pins and apply a little bit of aloe vera gel to smooth out any frizz, and you will have beautiful, straightish, bouncy, shiny hair. Try it out. And finally, we're moving into hack number 5. This is to give you a fuller looking hair appearance, especially to clean out all of this bald spots, guys. We all have this. If you don't, oh my goodness, I am so jealous of you. Take care of your hair so that I don't rip your hair apart. We just went really violent really fast. Sorry about that. All you need, back. All you need is a sponge like this, or an old beauty blender, or a cheapo sponge that you thought would be a good dupe for a beauty blender. All of us have those lying around. Take that, make use of that. And you need a dark brown eyeshadow. If you have blonde hair, get a lighter brown eyeshadow. If you have red hair, get something that matches your hair, which is a little bit more reddish brown. Take your sponge and load it up with this eyeshadow, like really load it up, and open up that bald spot and start stamping this in. And if you don't have a clean hairline, you can even do this to clean up your hairline and give you like a Kim Kardashian-esque clean hairline. But make sure that you don't bring it too much to your forehead that it looks kind of weird when you speak to people in person. So really keep it hidden, but put it all on your parting. If you have a side parting and you feel like your parting is a little too white, put this right on your parting. Do you see how my hair looks suddenly so much fuller here? And the powder also acts like a texturizing product, so it gives your hair a little bit more volume, and overall it just looks like you have very thick, full fluffy hair right around your face. Or if you have a husband or brother who has a little bit of baldness showing on the back or on the side, you can do the same thing, you guys. I'm telling you guys, our hair is full of secrets. So these were my top 5 hacks that I wish that I knew in my early 20s. Let me know if you have any hacks for me as well. Links to get your Mama Earth products would be linked down below. And also a special thanks to Mama Earth for sponsoring just this part of the video. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you found this helpful. I shall see you in my next one. I love you. Mwah.